Go ahead. Oh, make sure you're not shooting the light. Maybe you should sit over there, because you're blowing it out. So can you see that monitor okay for?
Yeah, but whoa, easy.
This chair is $600. You got it for $250. Can you see?
Good deal. Here.
So can you monitor? Can you monitor with?
Yeah, I can monitor it.
Okay, that's your viewfinder. So ready?
Give her, dude.
Oh, give it on an angle. Oh, never mind.
I got it on an angle.
Ready? Now I want to get a close up. The knife going in.
Behold, a new dawn awaits. Ooh.
Keyboard extension.
Keyboard extension.
Keyboard, which I will not be using.
Why not?
So I have a better one at home.
Do you?
VGA to DVI.
Nice.
Power cable.
Great.
And those go all back in here since I won't need those.
Check. Well, what are you doing with all of them?
I have all this stuff at home. Want to get a shot of the box? Yeah.
There you go.
Dun dun.
Oh, box. There's some craziness going on. Look at that badass. That thing's awesome.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, I know what we have to do first. Install the hard drive since I don't have the RAM with me. See here? One click. And oh. What the?
I think he had it like 2 seconds ago.
I'm just supposed to.
No, you had it like, yeah.
That's how you install a hard drive. Just simple as. And so now I need to get my other hard drive. And where's my? Oh, I need that. What do you need? That little black thing right there. Thank you.
What is that?
Scalper.
Hmm.
Scalpel. Check. Now there's something on here about which ones. I need to know the jumper settings for this. Never mind. Okay, now how does this go?
Is that your old hard drive?
No, this is a brand new. No, you need a special serial ATA hard drive. Oops.
Do you like Western Digital?
Kind of. It's worth.
Uh-oh.
Where'd
This
that go?
one. Here goes over here. There you go.
So much for the screws being built in.
So much for the screws being built in.
Just as simple as.
So how many Macs have you had now, Trev?
We're doing voiceovers. 4. No. Oh.
Whose tower is this white one right back here?
Mine.
Is that yours? What is this, the one from your house?
Yeah.
And then are you gonna keep this new one here?
God no. not as such easy drive install as we thought.
Do you need any help?
Nope. And as simple as okay. Simple as that. Look at that video card in the back. Wait. Did the part just fall?
I think it was your screwdriver.
Who cares then?
Now, when does your RAM arrive?
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Check how easy it is to do the RAM on this thing.
Is that the RAM right there?
Is that big?
That's big. How much RAM is that?
1 gig.
1 gig?
Now I can't figure out the riser card's position. Uh-oh.
You're in.
Phew.
It's a gorgeous computer, dude.
On flip sides? Let's wait.
Where am I going here?
No, over this way.
Ooh, easy. Yeah, okay. You push out. All right.
That's... There you go. Now a G4 compared to a G5. Or a Mac Pro, sorry. Is that a big difference in size?
It's a pretty sizable difference, my man.
Hey.
All right, what do you want to do?
Now where's my power cord?
Right
there behind you. Is this one large sucker?
Big.
2 optical drives. If you notice that this computer also has 4 drives as well. So, and 2, can you show more? And both these have 2 optical, whereas the old G5 didn't.
What is an optical drive?
CD-ROM.
Oh. Why do they call it an optical drive?
It's non-volatile media. It's optical.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
The downside is I'm going to have to probably unplug this other computer to get it to videotape this, to get the one to start up. Which would be sad.
Indeed.
What I could use is another Ethernet cord. Ugh. This thing plays Warcraft at 90 frames per second.
Do you play Warcraft?
Of course. Don't you?
No.
Chauvinist. Never mind.
I'm not a chauvinist. I'm gonna be chauvinistic.
And now I think we're going to cut this video short because I have to use the...
Cut it! Cut it!